Now we will work on past life. There are so many reasons why you should work on past life to know, just for curiosity. Second, to heal the patterns you are carrying from the past. So many reasons. Let me define and make you understand your past. What is today's date? 16/10/2012. Am I right? Till your birthday, UBD day. Understand? This is first layer past. From your birth till now is your first layer past. Next, from today, from your first birth may be a fish, pig, buffalo, who knows? That first birthday, FB day. This is what is second layer past. Second layer. This is first layer, second layer past. And there's a third layer past. From the moment cosmos has taken birth until today. Because the moment cosmos has happened, you are there. Maybe as an amoeba, bacteria, till today. That is the third layer past. Third layer past, don't worry. You can't access and you don't need to access. That's too much of information. Only for Akashic reading you need to access. That I am doing. You don't worry. Anyhow, this third layer past you don't need to worry. And it is not directly relevant to your life. But the second layer past only, you carry a lot of wounds, pains, patterns from this layer past. So working just on this layer alone will not be sufficient to relieve you. That's why first 10 days I work on this, second 11 days I work on this. So from today, next 11 days we are going to work only on second layer past. That is why from today, all the sessions will be more like a mystical powers. See, last 10 days, it's more like a happy life. Clearing your personality. Bringing you back to that human-centered consciousness. From today, it will all be about divine consciousness. Different powers, experiences, mystical. It will be more mystical work from today. Because we are entering into the second layer past. Mystery work. More of a kundalini, levitation and so many other mystical things. Because these all are related to clearing the second layer past. All of you understand? See, when you clear the first layer past, you become a good human being. Good person. Like a loving, caring, very compassionate, beautiful person, who have beautiful relationships, a balanced health, and many of the basic good things happen in you. But only when you dig out and clean the second layer past patterns, the mystical powers start expressing through you. Mystical powers express through you. Come on. How many of you, when you go to some new place, when you meet a new person, suddenly you have the memory, no, I know this place, I have seen this person. You will remember where that room, this room, that's some object, few minutes before. When you go and see, it will all be there exactly as it is. Or in the party, suddenly you know, you will feel somebody is going to fall and break their leg, and in 3 minutes that person falls. How many of you had this kind of, this called deja vu? How many of you had this kind of deja vus in your life? Raise your hand. Raise the hand, fully. Fully raise the hand. I need to count. God. Literally 90% of you, more than 90% of you. See, if it happens for one person, maybe once, you can call it as a coincidence. If it happens to 90%, in any crowd I ask, always 90% of the people raise the hand. If it's happening to 90% of the people, how can you call it as a coincidence? Then the 10% for whom it is not happening is a coincidence. Not the 90% of the people to whom it is happening. How many of you feel this moment, now whatever is happening, you already went through at least once? Raise the hand. This moment, what is going on? Teja, raise the hand, let me see. Raise the hand fully, I need to see. Now whatever is happening, raise the hand. Why are you so shy? I need to see the faces. Relax. Why you feel this moment, Exactly the same hall may not have been there. The same group may not have been there. But at some point now, whatever effect I am doing on you, you would have had at some time the same effect done on you by the same person. Understand? Now I am going to open up the second layer past into your body and clear those patterns. First step, pick up any animal you like. It can be snake, buffalo, cow, bull, any animal, bird, anything. Feel you have become that animal. The basic patterns, what are the basic patterns you usually carry from past life, Food, hunger, sex, fear. These are only 3 patterns, the lower chakras. Muladhara, sex, Swadhisthana, fear, Manipuraka, food. Only these 3 patterns you carry from past births. Strongest patterns. These 3 comes to you even before society conditions you. The moment you are born, you carry these 3. Nobody teaches you. Jealousy, guilt, desire and all, somebody else teaches you. While you grow, your parents give. These 3, fear, lust and hunger. You understand? These 3 patterns you carry very strongly. Express these 3 patterns in that animal body. It is like emptying your body. Opening up and emptying.